If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To adjust the exposure in a selected raster layer or smart object layer in Photoshop, select Image, Adjustments, Exposure from the menu bar to show the adjustment settings in the exposure dialog box that opens. Then make sure the Preview checkbox in the dialog box is checked to preview your changes. Alternatively, to apply this adjustment as an adjustment layer above the layer currently selected in the Layers panel, click the Exposure button in the Adjustments panel to add a new exposure adjustment layer to the Layers panel and show the same adjustment settings in the Properties panel. To apply an exposure preset if desired, select the name of the preset to use from the Preset dropdown. To reset manual exposure adjustments if needed, select the Default preset from this dropdown. To manually adjust the exposure of the layer, which changes the highlights, click and drag the exposure slider right or left, or enter positive or negative aperture f-stop values from positive 20 to negative 20 into the adjacent field. To manually adjust dark tones if needed, click and drag the offset slider right or left, or enter a positive or negative value from negative zero point 0.5 to positive zero point 0.5 into the adjacent field. To manually adjust both the light and dark tones if needed, click and drag the Gamma Correction slider right or left, or enter a value from 0.01 to 9.99 into the adjacent field. 1 is the default value. Alternatively, to apply exposure adjustments by using the black, gray, and white eyedropper tools in the Exposure dialog box or Properties panel, click either the black, gray, or white eyedropper tool respectively. Then click to select the pixel in the layer that best represents the selected eyedropper's color. The white and gray eyedropper adjusts the exposure value, and the black eyedropper adjusts the offset value. To apply the exposure adjustments, if using the Exposure dialog box, click the OK button. Alternatively, to cancel the adjustment and close the dialog box, click the Cancel button. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.